Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be pointing out some mistakes we the new YouTuber are doing. One is sub for sub. If you are a new YouTuber, don't start your YouTube channel with sub for sub, because anytime you are doing sub for sub, you are growing and YouTube will be dropping out those subscribers one after the other. They'll be dropping it. So it happened to me after I heard about sub for sub. I was doing it and I was growing. After a while, I discovered that my subscribers are reducing. They are reducing gradually. So all those people that subscribe to me that I will do sub for sub for, I don't know about them. I discovered that YouTube actually removed them from my subscriber. So it's not a good thing for you to be doing sub for sub. It's good only if you do it in the right way. Okay, how can I do in the right way? Is by giving yourself time. When somebody subscribes to you, give yourself time before returning the favor. Give some time, like days, because most of the people that will come to your YouTube channel, they will not watch your video because they are not interested. They are only interested in by following them. So that is what they are interested of. So they will just come to your video, they will just subscribe and just go away. And YouTube will know that this person they watch, you are not interested. So they will just suspect something. So after they subscribe, we just show that we have a new subscriber. After a while, they will drop the subscriber. They will drop it. So even if you have 20 followers through that sub for sub, after a while, YouTube will drop them. I don't know if it has happened to you, but it has happened to me. I've done that and YouTube actually removed them from my subscribers. So don't fall into that victims. The only way you can have a genuine subscriber for sub is by allowing the person to watch at least 2-3 of your video. If not for the long video, you should just go to your short and watch about 3 or 4. Watch them and like, at least drop a comment. That is the right way to engage. So you must engage correctly. That is the only way we have that subscriber. But when you go there and sub and leave there, I've done, go and sub for me, it's totally out of it. So that is the only way. Drop a comment, engage properly, and after a while, immediately don't return that favor. Wait for some time. Wait for some time before you return the favor, like 3 days or 2 days, and watch properly. You will see those subscribers will stay. But if you just run after that person that moment, okay, I've done it, go and return the favor, they will remove it. So that is the strategy I discovered, because everything I've done for the past, doing sub for sub, YouTube removed my subscriber. I don't know about, but anytime I go to engage on somebody's video, I don't watch one video. I will make sure I watch 3-4, because I really want for me to subscribe to that person to count. I want my subscription to count, so I have to engage properly. But some people will just come to your channel, they will not engage properly. So for that reason, YouTube is going to drop it. So the only way you can retain your subscriber is the people coming to your page to subscribe to you, if they are engaging properly. So we must engage properly if we are doing sub for sub. That is the right way. And another is by creating shorts. Create shorts. I never knew that shorts really helped until I started my second YouTube channel. I saw that I didn't even ask for anybody to subscribe, but through short I was having subscribers through short. I was not even posting long video, I was just posting short. So I was having followers. So I now discovered, okay, there's no need for me bothering myself doing sub for sub. So let me be focused, creating short, organic short. I don't take people's short, I create my own short, I post. So you must also do the same. Create your own short. Whatever video you are making, try to get short from each good short when you know that it's powerful and it's nice. Take your time, create it, and post it out of your video. So with that, gradually, your video will be going viral. So you must do this. We have followers, so don't wait for anybody to be sharing your video on WhatsApp. It's not nice. Share it after some time. Don't share it immediately after you post your video. You can't share it. I was doing that before and it was wrong. I was helping YouTube to do their job. So, and another thing again is creating quality videos. Quality videos. You must create quality video. Alright, I don't want this video to too long. That is all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. Drop your comments and see you in my next video. Subscribe. Bye.